If you're looking around online for Alka Slim reviews, it's about a bottled product that's going to help you lose weight. And there's something about a baking soda recipe. Maybe you saw Oprah Winfrey, Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff, other celebrities, like this completely AI generated thing they just showed for a second there of Oprah wearing green. And she was in a kitchen. That's completely AI. This is a scam. And I just want to mention right off the top here, hit the like button down below. That'll help people find my video. This is a scam busting video. The like button is really, really big. There is no baking soda recipe. That's a strategy that scammers came up with to try to pitch people on losing their money. There is no baking soda recipe for weight loss. And Alka Slim is a scam. It's the same as a product that went under a different name recently. And so I'm going to play part of this video here. It claims Yale doctor reveals the $1 baking soda recipe that helped Oprah drop 43 pounds without injections. This sort of a video has been going around for months with lots of different product names. And they usually don't begin with Alka, but for some reason, scammers are now going with Alka Slim. And they're going to have other product names besides Alka Slim coming up in the future. They're going to change it over and over based upon how good or bad they're doing with SEO, meaning search engine optimization. I want my video to rank highly. So let's save people from this scam. Hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility. And then other people might be able to stay away from this scam, which would be really awesome. So hit like. Know that my name is Jordan Lyles. I am a senior reporter with the fact-checking website Snopes.com. This is my personal YouTube channel where I come to on nights and weekends to help keep people away from scams. And I hope that I'm able to help you. Let's watch part of this video here and just know that no one credible or famous ever talked about this. So no matter what you see, it's going to be a deep fake AI of a person talking, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio, or it's going to be a fully AI generated representation of Oprah or Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff in a fake kitchen.
If you've seen any video on social media talking about the baking soda shot for weight loss, I need you to stop everything and listen carefully, because most of what's being shared online is wrong, and it's actually making you gain weight instead of losing it. I'm Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff, weight loss specialist for women over 40, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make the baking soda shot the right way. The same recipe I gave Oprah.
That is a completely fake Oprah. This is one that I've seen several times in a fake kitchen. AI created that. You might be wondering, well, how come Oprah's not suing? How come Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff is not suing? There are so many of these scams. Maybe they don't know this website exists. Maybe they don't know how to find the scammers. Whatever the case, you don't want to order this, because this video is going to keep going. They're going to claim that Dr. Anya Yastrzeboff helped celebrities, including Oprah, lose weight with Alka Slim pills. And guess what? These sorts of products charge people a whole lot more money than they thought for that initial charge. They're surprised. They look at their credit card or bank statement. It's a bigger charge than they thought. And it's going to be a monthly subscription sort of a thing in a lot of cases, just like this sort of a product here. Monthly recurring fees that you did not agree to, hundreds of dollars a month. A money back guarantee that, guess what, is probably not going to be honored. You will not be able to figure out the founder's name of this product, Alka Slim, because they're hiding, and other stuff like that. Like the mailing address where the company is or where they bottle it, all that's secret because it's a scam with scam marketing. There is no baking soda recipe either. That's a strategy scammers came up with to try to fool you into thinking, oh, I have baking soda in my pantry. I want to watch this very long video. And by the end of the video, it's a bottle of pills. That's all that's going on here. So my hope is that my video has helped you navigate the internet of scams, which exist in way too many numbers these days. And this Alka Slim product, Alka Slim for supporting weight management, they claim, and it even has like a red circle on the front of the bottle, kind of like an Arm & Hammer baking soda red circle. They're trying to mimic that, I guess. Stay far away from this. There is no legitimacy with Alka Slim. This is going to change product names. It used to be called something else. It's going to be called Alka something else coming up in the future. Alka Slim reviews. The review is it is a scam. It is not legit. And there is no baking soda water shot or baking soda recipe for weight loss. That is a scam as well. I hope that I've been able to help you. Like, comment, and subscribe. The join button is down below. Thank you so much for watching.